How was Chicago's Cloud Gate sculpture made? Imagine a giant, shiny bean sitting in the middle of a busy city park. That's what makes the Cloud Gate sculpture so special. But how did this massive, reflective artwork come to life? Let's find out. The process started with artist Anish Kapoor, who won a design competition to create something unique for Millennium Park. He wanted a shape inspired by liquid mercury, something that would reflected the city and sky around it. The final shape is about 33 feet tall, 66 feet wide, and 43 feet deep. It looks smooth and seamless, almost like a giant mirror. Creating this sculpture was no simple task. First, engineers used computer simulations to plan the shape and size. They made foam models to get the exact form before working with metal. The sculpture is made from 168 stainless steel plates. Each plate was carefully cut, shaped, and polished to a mirror finish. The plates are very thin but strong, like a steel eggshell. Transporting the entire sculpture was tricky. Instead of shipping it as one piece, each stainless steel plate was loaded onto trucks separately. Once in Chicago, a steel skeleton was built on site. This internal frame had trusses and two large rings that held everything in place. The plates were hung, adjusted, and welded onto this frame. Welding was especially difficult because the steel was so thin. Welders had to work carefully to control heat and prevent the metal from warping. After welding, the seams were ground down and polished until they disappeared. This took about 2 years. Over 2,500 feet of welds were smoothed and polished to make the sculpture look like one continuous, shiny surface. The entire process, from start to finish, took several years. The project was finished in 2005 and opened to the public in 2006. Funding for the sculpture came entirely from private donations, not government money. The total cost was around $23 million. Today, the Cloud Gate stands as a symbol of Chicago's artistic spirit and engineering skill. It reflects the city's skyline and sky, making it one of the most recognizable landmarks and attractions in the city.